Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, our new next question in the novel The Old Man and the Sea is how would you justify the end of the novel? The hero of the novel, Santiago, cannot catch any fish for 84 days. On 85th day, he goes far out in the sea and catches a marlin. He lashes it alongside his skiff and sets sail to the shore. On the way, the sharks attack the fish and eat away every bit of its flesh. The old man reaches the shore with only the skeleton of the fish. Some critics and readers are not satisfied with this end of the story. They say that the struggle of the hero comes to nothing and the story reaches to no conclusion. The reader has to infer from it many points himself, but we do not agree with these people. We can justify the end of the story on the following grounds. Number one, this end of the story is logical and realistic. The old man crosses the customary fishing area and goes far out in the sea. There he hooks a big marlin. The blood of the marlin is spread and it settles down. The sharks follow the blood and attack the marlin. Then it is impossible for the old man to row the boat speedily and reach the shore before the sharks can eat the killed fish. His return with the whole fish was impossible, so the end is convincing and logical. Hemingway's writing always carries some meaning and purpose in them. Through this story, he wants to show man's courage, resolution, and determination. The old man fights with the big fish and the sharks. During this fight, he says, "But man is not made for defeat. A man can be destroyed but not defeated." Through these words, he wants to convey the message that success or failure does not matter much. It is the struggle that is involved. The old man suffers to the last, though he loses the battle, yet he scores the moral victory. Without this end of the story, the author could not prove this point. The present end of the novel is symmetrical and proportionate. In the first part of the novel, the old man struggles with the marlin and succeeds in securing it. In the second part, he struggles against the sharks and loses his trophy. The process of victory and defeat gives symmetry to the story. Hence, we are satisfied with the present end of the novel. Thanks.